What if I told you that the humble Ford Focus you grew up with, the everyday hatchback your parents drove, the one known for practicality and value, has just stepped into the future and completely reinvented itself? The 2026 Ford Focus is no longer just another compact car. It's a sleek, futuristic machine that blends the sharp styling of an EV concept car with cutting-edge technology, bold performance, and a cabin that feels like it belongs in a luxury brand. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the brand new 2026 Ford Focus. From its bold design to its futuristic interior, engine options, price, and release details. And trust me, this is not the Focus you remember. Let's start at the very front, where the 2026 Focus makes its boldest first impression. Gone is the trapezoidal grille that defined Ford's kinetic design language for the past 2 decades. Instead, we have a seamless gloss black shield panel stretching across the nose, almost like digital architecture. At the center, the word Ford glows in bold illuminated script, breaking away from the traditional blue oval badge that's been the face of Ford for more than a century. This is Ford signaling change, moving toward a new identity for its electrified future. Flanking the central script are razor-thin LED headlights, angled aggressively like digital eyes. They're connected by a continuous light bar that runs across the fascia, giving the car a futuristic, wide-stance look. These lights aren't just for show. They feature adaptive matrix technology, dynamic turn signals, and even customizable light animations that greet you as you approach the car. Lower down, the bumper is sculpted with angular intakes, finished in gloss black. They may look aggressive, but they're also functional, channeling airflow for cooling and aerodynamics. Together, the design is bold, clean, and minimal, a perfect balance between sci-fi, futuristic, and everyday practicality. Move to the side, and the 2026 Focus reveals an entirely new silhouette. It's not quite a hatchback in the traditional sense. Instead, it sits somewhere between a coupe SUV and a futuristic crossover. The roofline slopes gently toward the rear, giving it a coupe-like profile, while the high beltline and flush door handles create a smooth, uninterrupted surface. The sharp shoulder line runs from the headlights all the way into the taillights, creating visual tension and highlighting the car's width. Subtle sculpting in the doors adds to the muscular look, while the black lower cladding contrasts nicely against the white paint, emphasizing ground clearance and toughness. The wheels really transform the stance. This Focus rides on deep concave forged alloy wheels finished in matte black, wrapped in low-profile performance colors. They fill the arches aggressively, giving the car a planted, wide look. Behind them, you'll notice large, ventilated brake discs and bold calipers, a nod to performance-minded drivers. At the rear, the 2026 Focus completes its futuristic design language. A razor-thin LED light bar stretches across the hatch, with the signature Ford Oval glowing softly at the center. Below that, Focus lettering is spaced out neatly, a premium design touch inspired by European luxury brands. The hatch itself is clean and uncluttered, with subtle creases that emphasize width. The lower bumper features a high-gloss black aerodynamic diffuser with vertical fins, EV correct, with no visible exhaust outlets. This not only looks clean, but also improves aerodynamics for better efficiency. What's impressive is how the design avoids clutter. There are no fake vents, no unnecessary details. Just a pure, minimal look that feels futuristic, yet premium. Step inside and you'll immediately realize this isn't the Focus you remember. The cabin has undergone a complete transformation, shifting from budget-friendly compact to tech-driven premium experience. The first thing that grabs your attention is the yoke-style steering wheel. Instead of a traditional round wheel, you get a futuristic flat-top, flat-bottom design, with Focus proudly displayed at the center. Behind it, the digital cluster integrates seamlessly into the massive vertical infotainment screen. Speaking of screens, Ford has taken inspiration from Tesla here. The large tablet-style vertical display dominates the center console, controlling everything from navigation and media to climate and drive modes. It runs Ford's latest Sync software, now upgraded with AI-powered voice assistants, over-the-air updates, and full Apple CarPlay and Android Auto wireless integration. Now let's talk about what's under the hood, or more accurately, what's under the floor. The 2026 Focus is built on Ford's next-generation EV-capable global platform. Expect multiple powertrain options depending on market. For those who prefer traditional efficiency, there will be a mild hybrid version pairing a 1.5-liter EcoBoost with a 48-volt system. A plug-in hybrid variant is also in the works, combining a 2.0-liter engine with an electric motor to deliver up to 40 to 50 miles of pure EV range. And of course, the headline act will be the fully electric Focus EV, designed to rival the VW ID.3, Tesla Model 3, and Hyundai Ioniq 5, with a projected range of over 300 miles, fast charging up to 250 kilowatts, and instant torque delivery.
Ford is expected to keep the 2026 Focus competitively priced. The base hybrid trim should start around $28,000, making it accessible to budget-conscious buyers. The plug-in hybrid will likely come in at $33,000 to $35,000, appealing to those who want a blend of efficiency and flexibility. The full electric Focus should be priced around $37,000 to $40,000, while the performance-focused ST model could reach $45,000 to $48,000. This pricing strategy allows Ford to attract a wide range of buyers, from practical commuters to performance enthusiasts. Ford is expected to officially unveil the 2026 Focus in late 2025, with deliveries beginning in early to mid-2026. Europe will likely be the first region to see the new Focus, followed by North America and Asia. So here's the big question. Would you choose the 2026 Ford Focus over a Tesla Model 3, a VW ID.3, or even a Honda Civic? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this in-depth look at the future of the Focus, don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and share this video, because we have plenty more 2026 model year reviews coming your way.